Hi guys, and welcome back to EasyPy 3. Now that we've got the theory out the way, let's look at how to install Python and start coding. The first thing to know is that you do not have to download it, you can stay online. However, I recommend that you do download Python as it comes with the IDLE program, which is a short form for Integrated Development Environment, and this is a program which makes it easier to write your source codes. Now, the other option is for you to stay online and use an online IDE, an integrated development environment, such as REPL. The main thing I want to get through to you is that you do need somewhere to practice. Whether that's online or offline, that's up to you. But there's a lot of projects and a lot of practice exercises for you to do, and you need somewhere to do them. Now, if you're a Linux user, you should already have Python installed, but you may not have the IDLE program, or the Python might be out of date. So to update and install the IDLE program, you need to open up the terminal and type the following. Once you have, press enter, and now you should have an updated version of Python and you should have the IDLE program. If you're on Windows or Mac, you can download from the Python website. The browser tells the site which operating system you're using, so it's pretty straightforward, but I will do a walkthrough. I am running Windows and everything I'll be showing will be on Windows, but everything should be similar, if not the same, on other operating systems. If you run into any issues, just get in touch with me and I will help you the best I can. To download Python, you need to open up your internet browser. For me, that's Google Chrome, but for whichever is for you, you go ahead and open that. Now, once your browser is opened, in the address bar, you want to type in python.org/downloads. When the website loads, you want to click on Download Python. It should be right at the top, and it should say download the latest version, and for me it says Windows. You want to save that somewhere, and once the download has completed, you want to click on the file that's downloaded. You should see Install Now, and you want to click on Install Now and follow the installation process. Alternatively, you can go on to the website repl.it, and like I said, you can use the online IDE, the Integrated Development Environment. And once you're on the website, you want to go to the top right corner where it says Start Coding and click on it. A menu will come up and you want to choose Python as the language, and you want to click on Create REPL. And once that's loaded, you can start coding on there. I will show you how exactly to do that in the next lesson. And that's it, guys. We're ready to start coding. Like always, if you have any questions, please do ask.